the chart of XAU. We had no big difficulty yesterday talking about the fifth wave coming, and it showed up. It showed up. The only thing is I don't think it's over. I'll be surprised if it's over. I would just go with the idea that we're going to have some extension here. It is also not out of question completely that there is a different wave count here, that I am missing something. But right now I wouldn't change this wave count. I would just tell you that it's possible that this is actually a 1-2. Yeah, maybe we have a 1-2, 1-2, I don't know. But if that is to be taken as 1, that's 2, then we are in the third wave up. Okay, there is a big gap here, and that's putting the entire climb here at risk for now, that it could come back to close the gap. It didn't manage to do it here, didn't come down to close this gap. There were various gaps that it tried to close. For example, do you see this one? Came down, tried to close this one. Doesn't always sort of deliver on that principle. Doesn't because buying pressure is just too strong. Let's have a look at the gold. Gold is flying. Gold is flying, and when the gold is flying, a lot of people don't like it, especially on the political arena. There, they are on the political front. They are not sort of sitting celebrating, but that's what gold is doing. It is a free spirit, if you like, and there is no better way of seeing it when it shoots into a new high right here. Okay, I still don't have for you a very clear-cut wave count for this price action because of problems that emanate from this area. Okay, but I'll be surprised if that's the end. I'll be surprised. If it is the end and it's marking a 5-wave run, for example, a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that, then obviously it's going to come and close the gap, and it's going to test this level. If it is going for an extended correction, it is going to break this level. Okay, so that is a key level for you to watch, 2,732. It mustn't really break this level. It coincides with the upsloping line here, which is the 21 moving average. Right now with this level, yeah, that's where it coincides here. It shouldn't really break this level. That's critical for the structure that I see here. Ideally, for the bulls, it comes down, it closes the gap here, it bounces back up, and it just spends time doing this. See, just spends time just going sideways, sideways, sideways. That's a sign of strength, a lot of strength. It's telling you I have managed to break out of this trading range. I'm now sitting right on top. I'm consolidating because I intend to go even higher. Okay, so that's the daily of gold, continuous contract here. Silver, in the case of silver, the long-term picture is still a possible fourth wave unfolding here, which means that the upswing here is part of a C, which I think is not over. It could be soon over. We'll have a look in the details here. So imagine if this is an ABC that gave you the A, ABC here will give you the B, and you know where I'm going with the rest. Yeah, so let's jump to the hourly and see how that is playing out. All this mess here of coming to retest the lows here, at the end of the day that could really play out as a B, meaning the whole thing here is a B that probably ended here. You can sit and argue where the B ended, but it seems to me that the C is not finished. It looks like it is going into a narrow range, kind of fourth wave price action. It won't surprise me if this is a 1, 2 and that's a 3 that ended here or here, and that's going to consolidate further, and then silver will show its true intention, in my opinion, running back to challenge this high and possibly riding above that.